Hey there, every single one of you. In the previous video, you have learnt of what multiples and factors are. Well, in this video, we are gonna learn HCF and LCM, and you need to know about multiples and factors in order to learn LCM and HCF. So if you haven't learned about multiples and factors, be sure to click the above card. Okay, now let's learn HCF. In mathematics, HCF stands for highest common factor. The HCF of two or more numbers is the highest among all their common factors. HCF is also called GCD, which stands for greatest common divisor, and HCF is also called GCM. Full form of GCM is greatest common measure. Okay, so factors for 68 are 1, 2, 4, 70, 34 and 68. Factors for 84 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42 and 84. Here the common factors of 68 and 84 are 1, 2 and 4. So out of 1, 2 and 4, what is the highest common factor? If you answer 4, then you are absolutely right, because the highest common factor of 68 and 84 is 4. Let's have an example. Find the HCF of 25 and 31. Okay, so first, write down the factors of 25 and 31. Now what's the common factor here? Well, as you can see, 1 is a common factor here. Can you find any other common factors? Nope. So the HCF of 25 and 31 is 1. Let's have another question. Find the HCF of 91, 117 and 143. So now let's write down all the factors of 91, then 117 and then 143. Now let's find if there are any common factors here. As you can see, the number 1 is common. Let's see if there are any other common factor. Yes, even 13 here is a common factor. Any other common factors? Nope. Only 1 and 13 are the common factors of 91, 117 and 143. Now, is 1 or 13 the highest common factor of 91, 117 and 143? Okay, since the number 13 is greater than 1, 13 will be considered as the highest common factor of 91, 170 and 143. Okay, great. You have now learned what is HCF and how to find the HCF of two or more numbers. Now let's learn LCM. Okay, in mathematics, LCM stands for least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Now for example, find the LCM of 15 and 22. Okay, so first, draw an horizontal line and there a vertical line as shown in the screen. Now write 15 and 22 on the horizontal line. So try to find the lowest number possible except 1, which is divisible by 15 and 22. Well, 15 is divisible by 3, but is 22 divisible by 3? Nope. So since there are no numbers except 1 that is divisible by both 15 and 22, just take the number 3 and place it as shown. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Keep 22 as it is. Now 5 is divisible for 5 and not 22. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Remember to always keep the second factor below the next below line. Now again keep 22 as it is. Now since it is 1, we cannot further do it. So let's find what is divisible by 22. Well, 2 into 11 is equal to 22. So keep 2 here and keep 11 below. Keep 1 as it is. Next 11 into 1 is equal to 11. So write 11 here and write 1 below. Now since both the numbers became 1, we should stop. Now write down all these numbers down and multiply it all. 3 into 5 into 2 into 11 is equal to 330. So 330 is the lowest common multiple of 15 and 22. Let's have another example. Find the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. So draw an horizontal and then vertical line as shown. Then write down the numbers from the question. Okay, so let's find the lowest number which is divisible by 2. Well, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So write 2 here and 1 below. Keep the rest which is 3 and 5 as it is, since 3 and 5 is indivisible by 2. Okay, now 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So write 3 here and 1 below 3. Write 5 as it is now. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So write 5 here and 1 below. Now all the numbers reached 1. So let's stop. So now multiply all these numbers. 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. So 30 is the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Okay, here are some points of LCM. Point number 1. If one number is the multiple of the other, then the LCM is the greater number. Point number 2. The LCM of two or more numbers cannot be less than any one of them. Point number 3. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. Okay, cool. You have learned how to solve HCF and LCM. If you liked our explanation and other stuff, be sure to subscribe with notifications on, hit that like button, share this video and comment if you have any doubts considering HCF and LCM. Well, see you in the next video. Goodbye.